Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making coconut milk pulao, a recipe that does not require much efforts but it's utterly delicious. We'll start by cleaning and soaking the rice for 15 to 20 minutes. I have used 1 cup long grain white basmati rice, but any variety of fragrant rice goes well in this recipe. Then thinly slice 1 medium onion, veggies of your choice. I have used carrot, beans, cauliflower and green peas. You can also use soya chunks, paneer, potato and anything that you basically use for making a pulao. Take 1 or 2 sliced green chilies and a handful of coriander leaves. Heat up a pan or pressure cooker and add 2 tablespoons ghee. Roast the cashews until they are slightly golden and take them out. Add all the whole spices and saute for 2 minutes. I have taken 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, 2 cloves, 2 green cardamoms, 5 to 6 black peppercorns, 1 small cinnamon stick and 1 star anise. Then add the onion and saute until they are translucent. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add all the chopped vegetables, saute for a few minutes. Lastly, add the rice, 1 cup coconut milk and 1 cup water. I'm using store-bought coconut milk which is quite thick in consistency, so I have added 1 cup water. If you are using homemade coconut milk, then I would suggest to skip the water and add 2 cups coconut milk instead. Stir everything well, add salt to taste, cover and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes or pressure cook for 2 whistles on medium flame. Once it's done, add roasted cashews and some chopped coriander leaves. Serve it hot with your choice of raita or some spicy aloo ki sabji and enjoy. I hope you guys liked this recipe. Please do give it a try and let me know if you liked it. Don't forget to share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one.